Hey guys, Mindy Brouse here, CCFE Director. I just wanted to go over the OiLS lesson again one more time so you have this on video. All right, so OiLS is our first drawing fine arts lesson and I just want to go over it real quick. So the first thing you're going to have this on your whiteboard, OiLS, and you're going to tell them that each of these letters and the dot stands for a part of drawing that is in every kind of drawing. So you're going to show them that the O in the OiLS stands for a closed circle. And you're going to let them draw that on their paper. And it doesn't have to be a full circle. I mean, it doesn't have to be an actual, it can be circle-ish. Okay? Then you're going to show them the bottom part of the I stands for a straight line. Any kind of straight line. The dot on the I stands for dots. And they can be little or they can be big. Okay? This is an open circle, it's a closed circle. Dot, okay? The L in the drawing OiLS stands for crooked lines or jagged lines or angled lines, however you want to call it. But that one is too much of a curvy line. All right? You're going to do all this on the board, and then you're going to see the S stands for a curvy line. All right? So that's what you'll go over first, and you can let them practice those. Then you're going to show them a picture that you bring in, whatever you want. I'll have this one in the room if you want to use that. I can bring another one. And you're going to ask them if they see the OiLS in here. So you'll say, hey, do you see any closed circles? Yes. Okay. Oops, this is dirty. Then you're going to ask them if they see any of the straight lines. Yes, lots of straight lines. Any dots? Dots all over the place. Any crooked lines? Yes, or jagged lines. And then any squiggly lines or curved lines. Okay, so you're going to show them that those parts of drawing make up drawings. So they will start to see them in drawings. Then they're going to get to do their own project. All right? For their project in class, you will have a blank lungs or a brain. All right, you're going to ask them, what are these? Hopefully they'll remember these are the lungs. The older kids will know this is a brain. And you're going to say, we're going to decorate the insides of these with OiLS. So I have started this for you. So you can see that there are some closed circles. There are some straight lines. There are some dots. There are some crooked lines. And there are some curved lines. All right, and so what you're going to do then is you're going to let them pick one of the pictures, and they'll have a fine point Sharpie. This is cardstock, so it shouldn't go through. And you're going to walk them through. Now, when I practice this with some kids, the best way to go through this, instead of saying just decorate it, and every section needs to have a component of the OiLS, it'll take them longer to do that because every section they'll have to decide. I suggest the best way to do it is say, okay, let's do some closed circles. And then they pick a section of the lungs or a section of the brain, and they draw closed circles in that section, however they want, okay? And then say, okay, pick another section to do closed circles and say it needs to not be right near the other one, all right? So you see what I mean here? So you'll do that for a few minutes, then you'll say, okay, now let's do some straight lines. And they pick a section and they do straight lines in a section. However they want, okay? All right, do you see there? And then they'll do some curved lines, some squiggle lines or curved lines. All right, so the best way to do that is, again, walk them through, have them do each one of the components in a section for a few minutes, and then move to the next one. When they're done, they will have a brain or a set of lungs that are filled in with all the different OiLS, and they can take that home. All right, thanks, guys.